Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having the best weekend of their life. I hope everyone's having a beautiful weekend. Hayi siyambona ke umakhwela nkosi yami akasemuhle ugel. We can see lana they are all busy doing makeup. We don't know if they were all going to the event that we saw all of them posting and dancing pa ku TikTok. They looked beautiful, all of them, and umakhwela wasn't there, but we saw here ukubana she was also part of the makeup. Baze bayatsho ke abantu ukubana mhlawumbe they are busy shooting intoni season 9 where uthando nesithembu. It might be coming soon. If that is the case, I guess sisasephezulu kaye indaba ka number 5 umakhwela nkosi yami. Uyatsho ke umakhwela uthi khona hayi abantu bayamcela ukubana she must do the nyash nyash challenge that is happening on TikTok. So she was asking Umusamseleko ukubana can she please do the challenge as well, and Umusamseleko refused, guys. He said I know ave wena uhlupha ke ave uhlupha. So uyatsho ke ukubana hayi I'll just do it on the side, like I'm not gonna show everything and stuff like that. And bayatsho ukubana hayi wena stop bothering me in a nice cute way. So yeah, we sing ukubana cause abantu babesitsho ukubana hayi no umakhwela kari uyagowisha umgele, but no, they just happily nomuntu wakhe nomfana. Bayatsho ke pha abantu ukuthi why are you calling a whole full grown man ngomfana, because uTata Mseleko is a full grown man. So everyone is like, why are you calling your husband ngomfana? So everyone nje uyasho ukuthi hayi vele we knew that uTata Mseleko was not going to allow you to do the nyash nyash challenge, because hayi utata kalokhu ke akuyena umfana lo, is a full grown father, a full grown man that have got kids your age. Because I think Umpumelelo, Usne and umakhwela, they are around about the same age group. I think even Umpumelelo is older than umakhwela, okanye Usne and umakhwela, they are the same age. So everyone is like, why would you think that a man that is old enough to be your dad will allow you to do so? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.